Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. I am Lilibet Umali, born on September 14, 1983. 42 years old, from Cavite, Philippines. I am married but separated and blessed with three children, ages 21, 20, and 16 years old. I am a college graduate and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I worked as a domestic helper in Saudi for 2 years and 2 months, from August 2018 to October 2020. I served one couple and three children ages 8, 7 years old, and newborn baby. And also, I worked as a domestic helper in Saudi for 2 years and 5 months, from October 2023 and March 2026. I served one couple and their five children ages 30, 18, 17, 10, and newborn baby.
Hello, Miss Lilibet Umali. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
Okay, may we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties and take care of the whole family, providing the services that they need, especially when it comes to their baby.
Okay, so what if the parents of your employer always finding mistakes to your work? What will you do?
Sir, I will focus to my work and do my best to improve it.
Okay, what is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check if their clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
Okay, so how will you assist the child when crossing the street?
Hold their hands and look to the right and left before crossing.
Alright, what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it's wet, feed the baby on time, and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household chores.
Okay, so what if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call and inform my employer or the parents and call a doctor for help and advice.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemates because I badly need to this job. It will help me to grow as a person. It will be a big help for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
Alright, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Lilibet Omali. I hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Thank you, sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.